Thank you, Farah, for that report. Now, let's look at health care in the African continent. African states have been challenged to fully embrace and embed the emerging technologies in the health sector to improve healthcare delivery to the citizenry.
Regional health and science experts, academicians and professionals say that cases of death from preventable diseases in the continent of Africa are still very high, yet emerging technologies provide a golden opportunity to overcome those challenges.
While a number of countries have adopted various tools such as telemedicine in Kenya and use of drones for blood delivery in Rwanda, it was noted that effective implementation is constrained by, among others, inadequate health governance structure and low investments.
Here's that report.
African continent forms 18% of the world population. Shockingly, disease prevalence is at 25%.
We are still losing a lot of Africans from preventable diseases. Mention malaria, mention mothers and children, mothers who die from childbearing, and even babies who die under 5 years from issues like diarrhea that can be easily prevented.
Health, science and innovation experts drawn from the regional economic communities say this can be addressed if African states leverage on the emerging technologies in the health sector.
And some of them, like the ones being developed for stopping mosquitoes from transmitting malaria parasites, we know that that will overcome issues like mosquitoes being resistant to some of the regimes or even the nets that are being used right now, which means that we won't be focusing on the individual.
The experts from the African Institute for Development Policy and African Union Development Agency, NEPAD, say the digital tools enhance diagnostic accuracy, treatment efficacy, early detection, personalized treatment plans, data-driven decision-making, and operational efficiency.
African Union Special Technical Committee on Infrastructure, they did adopt the artificial intelligence strategy. So what we have to do now to allow our countries to domesticate that strategy or to align that continental strategy to their own national strategy. If they don't have, we have to support them, is our responsibility.
For example, if the Republic of Kenya does some work in post-market surveillance and they find that some of the medicines are substandard, it should be easier for the other partner countries and probably even countries outside Africa just by click of a button to see that this is what Kenya has done. And it probably that you might find that the source of that product is same. So it is very easy now for somebody who's seated maybe in Burundi to say, oh, there's a red flag which has come out of the Republic of Kenya and need to take action.
Some of the emerging technologies in the health sector include artificial intelligence, genetic-based vector control tools, blockchain, Internet of Medical Things, genomic medicine, drones, among others.
Kenya is doing MTBA to enable people to access healthcare in different parts. It's telemedicine, basically, so I can access a doctor. I don't have to be there in person. I can access a doctor through that app remotely. We know that Rwanda has, over time, been using drones to deliver blood and other medical supplies in remote parts of the country. Ghana, for instance, has established a platform that uses electronic medical records, drawing on the blockchain technology.
Sustainable investments and strong institutional capacity are some of the resolutions the experts are pushing for.
We're just not investing enough, because for us to integrate these technologies in our healthcare systems, we need to put in money, right? Domestic investments. For instance, if you're going to integrate the artificial intelligence tools in our healthcare system, we need to be able to purchase those tools. And importantly, even the healthcare workers to have the capacities they need.
They say revolutionizing the healthcare system to achieve universal health coverage can be easily attained through member states' commitments, as the continent already enjoys wide use of mobile phones and internet. Kamchemenza for Prime Edition.